You have a full-time job and you want to become a full-time content creator. How can you merge both? How can you find balance for both? Now I'm going to explain to you how you can achieve this seamlessly in this video. If you're somebody that you want to go into content creation because you know that the content creation industry is a booming one and it is one that you can go into and make money for yourself, and be happy, have time for yourself, this is something you should watch to the very end. Watch this video to the very end, because as somebody that has been creating content for a while now, I can tell you that it is worth it. If you're just starting out, my advice for you is this: please don't quit your job, because you need that job. You need the money coming in from that job, right? You have a 9 to 5 that is paying you. You have a secured monthly income. You have a secured monthly income. You can still be working your full-time 9 to 5 job and be creating content full-time. You just need to find a balance, and this is exactly what you need to do. You need to learn how to plan your content creation. Your job already has a routine. You go in the morning, you come back in the evening. Maybe you go from Monday to Friday and you have your Saturdays and your Sundays. That is a routine for your 9 to 5 job already. Now, for the content creation part, for you to be active, for you to be consistent, you need to plan. You need to have what is known as the content calendar. Plan your content. It could be weekly, it could be 3 times in a week. You have to plan. There was a time when I had a 9 to 5, right? I was a teacher. I go to school in the morning, I come back late in the evening. I was doing this and I was still creating content here on YouTube. Let me tell you practically how I did it. I had my book. I still have it till now. I have my book where I plan my content. Like, I just sit down. Sometimes even in class, once I am less busy, I am scripting out content. So I just sit down like this, get my book, and say, this is what I want to create. I don't just sit down and create just one video. I usually batch create content. I sit down and I can create up to between 3 to 5 videos. 3 to 5 videos. In between, I can decide to change my dress. I can use one particular dress for maybe 2 videos, and then another for 2 videos or 3 videos, depending on how many videos I am creating that day. Now, before you can achieve batch creating of videos, you need to first of all plan. You need to script out your video ideas. You need to write down your video ideas. Now, depending on your niche, you need to do research for video ideas. Sometimes you just sit down and ideas are just coming. Write it down. Don't say, oh, I'll remember it later. You might not remember. That is why I advise content creators, especially the upcoming ones, to have a notebook. Always walk around with your notebook. If you catch me, you must catch me with my notebook. Yes, you can write on your phone, but when you go into your phone, something might just carry your attention and you have forgotten that idea. I don't know if it does happen to you. Sometimes you say, oh, this idea just clicked, and you want to write it on your phone. Maybe you want to save it somewhere. You just open Instagram, something is happening already. Your attention is taken and you are done. But with my notes, whenever I have this idea, I just bring out my book, my pen, I write it down. So always have a note to write down your ideas. Now, once you have enough ideas, in a day, you'll be able to maybe have like 5 ideas. You look at them, look at the ones that are, the ones that are evergreen, the ones that are trending, the one that can bring you views. Then you can decide to go script out this content ideas. So I usually script my content ideas when I come back from work. Remember, I am a mom. I have kids. I have my family to take care of. So I plan my time very well. In school, I can be thinking of idea brainstorming and I write them down. I write down loads of ideas, right? Sometimes I'm scrolling on my phone and I just see, a kind of a content idea that resonates with my niche. I write it down. Now I look at them. When I get home, I begin to script. I usually script my content at night after taking care of my kids. Everywhere is calm before I go to bed, right? I script out content. I write, flesh my ideas out. You know, you already have your idea. Now you begin to flesh them out step by step. Talk about the introduction, right? Talk about the body of your content, and then talk about your conclusion, how you want this content to flow, so that you know people can watch and they are glued to your content. Do you understand me? So once I script out this content, the next thing is for me to batch film. Now I usually ensure that I have at least 3 content scripted already. Before I can set up my camera and start creating, I need to have at least 3 content. Most times I usually have more than 3, but 3 is my like minimum. That's the minimum I go. Once I have 3 video content that has been scripted already, you see me sitting down, setting my camera, nothing much, no much background setup or anything. I just sit down, use my tripod to hold my phone, attach my mic. You know, I wrote this thing myself. I scripted this content myself, so I can remember some of them. I have my book. Currently I don't have anything close, but look at my book over there. Let me get it so that you understand what I'm saying. So I have this notes right here. Let me show you. I have content inside. This is a new one. The old one is filled. So you can see content idea that I've been writing throughout today. Today I've written around 4 content ideas. Can you see these content ideas I have here? The next thing for me is to start scripting them out, start fleshing them out. So once I have about 3 fleshed out, I now set my camera, sit down. I usually, when I was working my 9 to 5, I usually create this content on Saturday and I edit on Sunday. I create this content on Saturday. I don't go to work, right? So I stay home after doing my chores and doing what I need to do. I have time to create a lot of content. That is why I usually batch create on Saturday. So once I create my content on Saturday, sometimes even that Saturday evening I start editing, because they are mostly long form videos, they are YouTube videos, right? I start editing so that by Sunday I'm editing the remaining ones and then I start uploading. So this is what you would do. You can get your content ideas, script them out within the week, so that by Saturday, days where you don't go to work, you can sit down and batch film. Days where there is public holiday, we have June 12th coming. For you that work 9 to 5, there are days that free public holiday, you sit down, you batch film your content, right? And then you edit. Once you edit, you can upload them and schedule your videos. Sometimes you see people that work full-time 9 to 5 and you see them having videos on their channels every day. Videos are going up on their channels. You'll be asking, how are they doing it? It is not magic. They actually planned it that way. They have days where they batch film content. They can film up to 8. In fact, I saw a lady on Instagram that says she usually batch film up to 10 content, and I'm like, oh my God, how do you do this? It's a lot of work. How do you sit down and create up to 10 long form videos in a day? Yes, I understand it's a lot of work, but it's actually achievable. It is something that you can do. It just needs more planning, more discipline, more dedication to what you want to see grow. You know, when you want to see something grow, you know that there is something in here. I want to grow this channel. I want to start making money. I want to start earning in dollars from this channel. You will put in the work, and once you're putting in the work and you'll see that, oh, this small thing I'm doing is actually paving, way, I'm getting more views and my watch time is growing, you will put in more energy into it. That is how you can start your content creation journey even while you are still at your 9 to 5 job. So those of you that are, Oni, should I quit my 9 to 5 because I'm a mom? Should I quit my 9 to 5 and face content creation? I will not advise you to quit your 9 to 5 now. Start this content creation thing as a side hustle first, grow it and still have your 9 to 5 as your secured income source, growing your channel until you are monetized, and you can for sure tell that what I'm getting from here can sustain me. I don't need my 9 to 5 anymore. Then I can easily quit my 9 to 5 and grow my channel, even have other options of making money from my channel. Do you get what I'm saying? So the point is not for you to quit immediately. The point for you is to be dedicated to it. Start it as a side hustle. Plan your day, plan how you create content. The secret to this is for you to batch film. If you can create up to 3 videos sitting down once, 5 videos, you can change your clothes if you don't want it to look as if you wore one clothes all through your videos. Change clothes, change your makeup if you're one of those that you care about makeup and all that. Just have a day where you batch film content. And remember, you cannot batch film unless you've already scripted and you have this idea. So brainstorm during the week when you're at work. You can be brainstorming. You can write down as many as you can. Then when you have the time, you go through each of these ideas, take off the one you want to take off and then script the others. Script it. You can use ChatGPT. Those of you that are like, only I don't know, most time I brainstorm, I don't get enough ideas. You can go to your phone, go to ChatGPT. Do you understand me? Type in your niche, tell ChatGPT to give you ideas under this niche. ChatGPT will give you a lot. You can tell ChatGPT to give you 50 ideas. ChatGPT will give you 50 ideas. Now, for the 50 ideas, you go through them, know the ones that you want to create content on, based on the market, based on your niche, based on what people want from you, from your niche. Do you understand what I'm saying? Then you can even ask ChatGPT to script. Just that most times when I go on ChatGPT, I want video ideas, I keep seeing repeated video ideas. It's tiring. These are contents I already have on my channel. I don't want to keep repeating. Do you understand? Now I depend on my brain, I think, and then what people want, the problem that people are faced currently. This particular one, I didn't get it from ChatGPT. I know this is something that people are concerned about. People that want to start their content creation and they still have their 9 to 5 job. They don't know how to, go about both of them. This is your solution right here. Okay, so that's it about this video. Nothing much. Just get started, my dear. Get started. I am here rooting for you. Okay, there are videos here on this channel that will teach you how to film, how to grow from scratch as a YouTuber, a content creator here on YouTube. You need this channel, so do well to subscribe, and I will see you on to the next one. Bye.